Tobio, I need to pee. Alright, fuck. I'll wait 2 more minutes. Hello! Meow! Meow!
Does that feel good? Feel my legs. Do you feel better? Yeah. It's on your bed.
God, I wanna feel again. Oh God, I wanna feel again. And his name is John C.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh no. Bean. Oh my god. You're supposed to be my emotional support animal. This is emotional abuse. I love you.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Wee! Dum dum Wee! Dum dum Wee! Dum dum Wee!
Woody.
This my little doggy dude, getting chunky, eating all the food. Snuggles and he's pretty singing cute. That's my little dude. Way too many toys up in the room, and this is all he really ever chews.
Big night, let's play we, but the beat goes on and 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 on.
Bye. No. No.
Whisper your dog's favorite word and record their reaction.
I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy.
So sleepy, not ready to do anything, not ready to get up until I ask, would you like to go? Ooh, that ear. Wait, would you like to? Coda, would you like?
Here come bad news, talking this and that. Give me all.
I got eyes on the back of my head, I got eyes everywhere, so I know where you go. I can draw ties in this bitch.
Ew. Oh my god, that smells so bad. Oh, that smelled like dog poo-poo.
One more barefoot round. One more.
You got me tripping, stumbling.
Like what? I mean,
One of these days, I'm gonna go to therapy, and all you guys will be fucked. Until then, enjoy.
Lisa, look! What's this? Do you think I can make that jump on Comanche? I don't know. It looks big. Hello, Prancer. Stay.
I'm coming. I want to know what it is. Can you please tell me if it's dangerous?
Are you hungry or what?
I'm fucking starved.
Do you want dinner?
Yes, I do.
You have to brave the bunny.
Bunny. What's a bunny?
Domino, push him. Bye.
Hey,
Really?
don't encourage
This
us
is what
to
you're doing.
fight. Don't push me, Domino.
Come on, Domino. Show him how it's done.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah, it's just, the thing is, Julia. Say it. I am a bit scared.
Let's go.
I'm not afraid to admit it. See, Domino's scared as well. So,
This is comical.
what? She thinks it's funny. Oh, that's not on. You know, you should be sensitive to our feelings here. We've never seen a bunny. I've heard of them. So it's understandable that we're a bit apprehensive, okay? That thing could rip us to
Guys,
shreds.
it's a bunny.
Why, you keep saying bunny.
That's it.
Tell us what it does. What can it do? Can it eat us?
It's just a bunny.
Can it eat us? Answer the fucking question, Julia. She's not fucking answering. It can eat us. It's a yes when she doesn't answer.
Domino.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. It's cool. Hey, so you dead.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Never gonna come back because look at this cat. She will not let me go. Oh my god. She's never missed me this much. And she's stuck.
What did you just say?
And it went like.
Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Hey, buddy. Whoa. What was that?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Some hot girls, some of that pop y'all shit. Hey, work out, yeah. Show me your mama to pull like dick.
Big booty bitch, like big booty bitch, some hot girls, some of that pop y'all shit. Hey, look it up, no.
I'm gonna bust him.
What are you doing? Aren't you doing anything? Yeah, right.
So I set up my phone to record how my puppy escapes her playpen.
You bitch, I saw you.
Long time ago, where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
There are two things in life you don't fight for: true love and true friends. They come naturally.
kiss.